This is the pivot table version of the CPR Ledger by district report. Let's get it going by clicking on the Start button. There are no additional criteria to enter, so we'll click on Create. So this data is basically the same as the CPR Ledger district report, the standard version of it. The main differences between the two reports will be that there are no subtotals provided on the main tab. So this is just a straight list of the CPR Ledger entries. It does include all of the data, so you'll get, in this case, we've got 2 districts, city and town, so you'll see all of that. The way to get the subtotals and totals is actually the second part that's different, which is a new tab called Pivot. So if you click on Pivot, you'll see that this is in the format of a pivot table, and so it was already previously set up. Make sure to always click inside of the pivot table, and then you'll get the options on the right hand side where it says pivot table fields. So in this particular case, we have the district plan account, description and year rows selected, and then also for the value side we have the CPR count and total dollars. So you get subtotals, you get a subtotal by district here as well, and there's a grand total at the bottom. If you change some of these values, let's remove the description for example, then you'll get an updated view of the data. So it's a little bit different. You can kind of slice and dice the data using the options here, and you can also add filters and things to get a subset of the data. There's a video on how pivot tables work, and you can take a look at that video to get more information on all the possible things that you can do with them.